Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to delete your Google One account permanently? Maybe you no longer need the storage or want to switch to another cloud service. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to delete your Google One account safely and what happens when you do so. The first step is to cancel your Google One subscription. And to do that, just open a browser and then go to one.google.com, as you can see here. And after that, click on the website and sign in using your account's credentials. Now once logged in, you're gonna be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, click on settings, which is on the top right corner. It's on the gear icon right here. Click on it. Now, as you can see, I didn't pay for the subscription, but if you pay for a plan by clicking on benefits and then clicking on see the plan and choosing one plan, you can choose from the basic, premium or the AI premium plan. Once you select them, when you will go to the settings, you'll have the option to click on manage subscription. Click on that and then click on cancel subscription and confirm. The second step is to remove your Google One account from Google services. And to do that, just go to Google My Accounts or My Accounts Google. Let's look for it. Here. And select that data and privacy and delete a Google service. Make sure to find Google One and click delete and follow the instructions. The third step is to delete your entire Google account. Now this step is only if needed. And this step deletes everything including Gmail, Drive, Photos and also a YouTube account linked to the Google account you're deleting. And you can do that by going to myaccounts.google.com and delete accounts, and make sure you read the warnings carefully and check the confirmation boxes. And after that, in the end, click delete account to proceed. Deleting Google One doesn't remove your Google Drive files unless you delete your entire Google account. If you want only to stop paying, just cancel your subscription instead of deleting the account. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you delete your Google account. Just cancel your subscription, remove it from services, and delete your Google account if needed. Be careful as this action is permanent. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.